that even from the person who you brought up to say nobody can communicate with this man. Let me tell you, Kai, this is, do you know that Western world is an official place where nothing could be done hidden? You know, this senator from Enugu State that been in prison in UK for whatever he did with the wife. It is not possible you visit him without anybody knowing. It's not possible.
Okay.
The issue with Prime Minister is an international issue. Forget about all these things we are dealing with it in our this as if it's something that is happening with one backyard or in one state in Nigeria. It's an international issue. Now you went on Friday, and the official time for you to visit Prime Minister for 40 minutes was on a Saturday. These guys are crazy. How come you are in the Western world and you are telling us that the work closes on Friday and on Saturday you have an official agreement and all that to visit a man of whose issue is on international domain? And it was on a Saturday you went to visit him, have 40 minutes with him. The only message is to stand strong. We have had so many times of you. Everybody must be strong. We have even those whom their people are killed, brother. They watch their brothers and their mothers bled to death. They are standing strong. We have had this message over and over and over. And let me say once again, I've never seen when it comes to state briefing that the Minister for Information takes up the podium to address the nation. I don't know. The Minister for Information is the only one that knows how to say it well to the people than the leader himself. And the leader will relax only to add to what the Minister for Information has. I've never seen. This is a state broadcast. You are talking about a president of a nation, and the acting president is there watching like Bobo when the information minister is taking up. What are these people trying to do? They consider us as fools? In fact, I don't know any Biafran or his common sense. I mean, the one that our fathers will say, come on. I grew up with my age grandparents, and this wasn't the kind of wisdom they transferred to us. You must dissect, you must sieve, you must be able to synthesize words coming from people for you to deduce meanings. You don't just swallow anything that anybody from the country. Look at this Wamboga who think he can pocket Igbos and other Biafran from other corners. Who didn't think this guy? Let us stop saying that this guy is smart. He's not a smart guy.
I'm not saying that he's smart guy. When you hear me saying that he's smart, if you want to compare him with people that surround them in their government, you understand? That's what I mean. That if you hear me saying that Akparawa is a smart person, what it means is that I see him as smarter than all this. Is it Vision 555, Nkere? He's smarter among them. That's what I mean by that. No, I'm not saying that he's super intelligent. No, that's what I mean. Anyway, I want to ask you, have you seen, my brother, this question for you. Have you seen any other country or both government in exile, where conflict resolution committee are being used as a electoral body of any country, any nation? Have you seen that before? Are you there? Hello?
I heard you. Can you hear me?
I can hear. Yeah, continue. Did you get the question?
I got your question very clearly.
Okay.
Yeah. Responding to your question.
On your off, can you off your device? Off your device. It's happening. It's reflecting here. Hello?
Okay, can you hear me now?
Now it's better. It's better now. Right on.
Okay. When
I think your network is not friendly at all.
Can you hear me?